Hi everyone, today in RigTech. With the second video, as I was telling you, we will create a simple program. So, first of all, you can look on the internet about a type of variables, integer, flow, string, all kind of uh, type of variable that you will use. I recommend it to read it on internet because it will be a little faster and maybe easier. So to start with this calculator, we only gonna do for summing two numbers. That will be the starting point. Then we will create a class or functions to make it more professional, easier to code and to understand. So first of all, let's start with the simple one. The simple one is just to create two integers. There will be number one and then integer number two. Also, I think I already mentioned we're gonna work in C sharp. Okay, so for this you have to create a new project. When you open Visual Studio, I recommend you to install Community 2019, the same version I'm using. And then when you create the project, you have to select console. We're gonna start with the console one, and then we will move to the window form. Okay, so let's continue. So with the console, we can print and read from console in this way. Console write line, then console read line. So always you need a console read line to stop from closing the command prompt. So for example, if you do this, you and you play this project, your console will be closed. So you need to always enable this console read line. And what else? Okay, here. Okay, so now we will write first to request number one and number two. So as you can see here, it got closed, but now if we run it, it will be open and keep it there until you press any line. Okay, so let's write down an introduction. This is a calculator that sum two numbers. Then we want another line. Please write the first number. So now we're gonna read this, and then we need to assign it to number one. So number one equal to console read line. But as you can see, we get an error. This error is telling that we cannot use a string that is coming from the console, and the number is declared as integer. So we have some libraries here already that we can convert to integer. So let's use this one, and then we can get and read, and you see the error is gone. Then let's write the same one, and let's just put second number, then num2. I recommend you to write everything twice so you can practice and more type faster your code. Console read and use the tab, also it will help you to write faster. Now we have second number. Now we need the addition. So the addition, we need another variable. We can call it result. So result is equal to num1 plus num2, and then we need to print it. So console write line. Here you can print at the same time, or you can add at the same time with the use of addition symbol. So the result is, and here you put result and then semicolon. Now we need the console write line to stop for, even though we can write something, just tell something more to the user. Press any key to close the app. Okay, so now we can run it. Right now the code is not having any control of what kind of data the customer or the user can type. We will improve this code later on in the next classes, how to validate this. But just for begin, let's start. So 123, first number, let's say 34, 43, second number. So the result will be 246. Oh, no, sorry, 166. I don't know how to make an addition. Okay, let's do it again. And you can do this also. You want an for loop, or so not to erase and open and do this anytime. 12, 345, then it's 357. So now this is done for today. In the next class we can improve this. Also we can avoid to write this here and just add it here. Num1 plus num2. Delete this, we don't need anymore. First number 12, 24. Okay, that's all for today. If you like this video, give it a like, share it, and please give your comments. I will continue improving now for from this video on the code. We will create functions to do this instead of doing in the main. Then we will move to classes. Bye bye.